Welcome back to CAD CAM Legend. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how can you make this 3D pipe with the help of 3D sketch inside Solidworks. So let's start the video. Let me suppress this for now. And if you have not this option, sketch ink, just right click over here and add in from here by checking all. Click on sketch ink, sketch, 3D sketch, and I will draw a line. Upward like this. Smart dimension. Keep this 100 units for now. 100 units for now. Exact sketch. Feature, reference geometry, create a plan. Select this line, this point, fully define, it's now right. Okay. Choose the plan. Choose the plan, sketch on it, normal. Draw a circle, dimension it, exact sketch. Click on the plane, hide it for now. Click on Sweep Post Base. Choose the profile and path, select this path. Okay. See, choose fillet, select here this one and this one. Okay, now it's entirely filled. Choose shell, choose this face, press and hold Control key in this face. Show preview. Wall thickness is 1. Okay, see. So this is how you can model this pipe with the help of 3D sketch. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember one thing, if you are new on my channel, so please support me and subscribe to our channel because it's free of cost. Thanks for watching.